In my struggles, I have seen God's intervention. I have seen it myself. I'll give you one example. In January 1973, we were here, underground, fighting Amin. And we had put our group in the forest in Mayuge. And Valerian Raheru, Martin Mwesiga, and myself were in a car, our Volkswagen 1600, driving from Kampala to join our group in Mayuge Forest, Kitiarera Forest. It was around 7, it was getting a bit dark. We didn't know that Amin had got information about us and had attacked our camp. We didn't know because there was no communication at that time. So I was the one driving. We passed through Jinja, Magamaga. Then at that junction, the new road now, Musita, going to Mayuge, we turned. I was the one driving. Then when we had driven some distance, we found a truck, a lorry parked on our side of the road. But then an army, a lorry which turned out to be army was also coming from the other side. So because we wanted to pass, we stopped. I stopped the car behind the lorry. When the army truck came, instead of continuing, they stopped. They said, "You people, who are you?" We said, we are going somewhere, Karuba is Karuba, some place. We're going to Karuba. The fellow, I think there were 2 or 3 soldiers. I think they had dropped soldiers and they were coming back, but they were armed. So they thought for a moment as if they wanted to continue, but then one of them got out. So, "You people, get out of the car." Now, Raheru